Attorney Menchaca, let's talk about the E-2 visa. How do you apply for this visa? What is the usual application process?
The E-2 visa application process is pretty straightforward. Here's how it goes. When I get started on an application, the first thing I do is tell my client what documentation I'm going to need from him or her, okay? So I interview my client, I ask a bunch of questions, and based on the information they give me, I prepare a detailed document checklist. And I tell them, here's your document checklist, get me all of these documents, and I will use them to prepare your application.
Okay, and are these documents difficult to obtain?
No, generally not. Most of my clients get me everything within 30 to 60 days, so no, not really.
And what would be the next step?
Then your job is going to be to get me all the documents that I need. I will use them to prepare your E-2 visa application, and when it's ready, my office will call you and say, ma'am, your application is ready to go. Now we're going to schedule an appointment for you at a U.S. embassy or consulate outside of the United States so you can go and apply for your E-2 visa.
What will I need to know about this appointment? What do I bring?
So, very simple. Before you go to your appointment, about 3 or 4 days before, we will have a conversation with you, and we will tell you everything you need to know, from details like where it is, when your interview is, what documentation you should take with you. As a matter of fact, we will prepare the documentation that you need to take with you. We'll put it together in a nice little application packet, and we'll hand it to you so that you can present it during your interview. We will also give you general advice like what you should wear to make the best impression, and we will discuss the types of questions that we expect will be asked of you. That way you feel comfortable knowing that you're going to give the best answers possible to the interviewer.
Okay, and then after the interview, does that mean I get my visa?
So at the interview, once the officer who's conducting the interview decides that you qualify, that you meet the requirements, that everything's good, then they will approve your visa on the spot, and they will give you the visa usually that day or the next day or shortly thereafter.
Excellent. Thank you, Attorney Menchaca.
It's a simple process.